pachi pamwe mhuri yezimbabwe tadzoka zvakare namaraven there is right regai tipinde munyaya yekutanga. I'm one person that really knows how to fight for something I believe in, but if I had used all the energy I used to fight for my marriage towards my business, honestly I could have been a millionaire today. I looked after his relatives from day one. I worked hard for him to love and to be accepted coming from a broken home. I never wanted the same for my kids. Zvekuti I over compromised. Ndaizvitungidza kuzvidira paraffin, ndotora matches ndobvira moto, ndichitsva ndichichema just to warm others. Kunyanya my ex-husband, and you say hauna kunyatsoba mushe. This is very unhealthy. Nhasi I'm continuing from the diary yemwana iya. Right, after mwana agara, the father continued in a business rake, but not even buying food mumba. I tried kutaura naye but airamba kuchinja. One thing that he knew I would never ill-treat mwana wake. I'm kind-hearted, but is that a justification for abuse or for being abused? Kwakafiwa kumusha kwavo. I went nehama dzake in my car, bought groceries nekudzoka. When he came back, I just asked him, naiwe, watadzawo kana kutenda kuti wakaita basa? Akati handiti ndozvawakaroorerwa here. But this man, in our 12 years of marriage, he never attended kana one family function yekumba kwedu. Ini ndichibhindauka sedongi kumba kwavo. Well, tagara hedu, kamanaka had passed through so many hands and he had no one that instilled moral values. Saka kaive very naughty. Kakazotora flash drive that had a group project of my brother in college. Takarishaya kutsvaga takazoona mune maheadphone aiva pamwe chete neflash mubag. Naiwe wakaisepi flash, he had lost it at school. Ini pane shamu kwakumurova. So when the father came from SA, ndikamuti, mwana ndakasara ndikamurovera nyaya yekuba zvinhu achirasa kuchikoro. Akati, oh, I asked why. He was surprised because I had sent him a text telling him the same. Akati, no, I didn't see any message. I took his phone from his hand to search for the text I had sent him. Ndiri pakati pekutsvaga text ya dhuma nematext emababy. They were thanking him for the money he had sent them. Imwe was about the groceries and blankets that he had brought here from SA. Right, stuff iyi yaitouya nemumba mangu. Oti zvinhu zvandabatiswa. Otoenda nazvo. Ndakatomuti iwe unouya nemagroceries evanhu, but you can't buy that same stuff for your kids. Hauremerwi here. Should all these groceries for other people. Dai watitengerawo pano nevana. Akati, hey, mari kudi. So that's the same stuff yaitenga for his girlfriend. Onomupa. Ini ndichitambura kuchengeta my kids and this. Ndopandakati, asiwe, what do you take me for? I was so hurt that this man had the capacity to provide for a family, but he didn't want to. He never bought the same groceries muno. Ndakasimuka, pegged his clothes, and for his son, ndikati, please take your child. Kwaunoendesa grocery nemari. You charge me 10% mari yangu yebasa kuenda ku South Africa, but I gave you $1,000 to start this business and got you a passport. You've never thanked me, but you brought me your child that I accepted. Kokundinyarao. Buy food for the kids, if not all of them. Kowako anofunga ma blankets angu, but iwe you buy blankets for mahure ako. Aiwa rent zvese I pay. So please leave my house, you and your child right now. Ndakadana mwana ndikatenda nadaddy. The boy cried. Ndakamunzwira tsitsi. He had a peaceful home and stability for the first time in his life now. Akunza aendezve. They both cried na baba vacho, but I had to harden my heart. Why I had gotten to a stage where I felt so used and bitter. I knew one day I would lash out on this innocent child. Ndiye wandaigara naye. The father was always in and out. Vamira zvino mulounge. Edmo knew me very well. I'm tolerant, but if I say no, I mean it. Akatoziva kuti apa zvavarana. He came back after 3 days. I never asked him anything. We lived in that arrangement. Akabva abroka futi akuswera pamba. One day I was playing my music per DVD. Akabvisa akaisa yake. I came and removed it. That instant akati ko. Ndikati wakati you don't buy DVD that you have no time to play. Naso akudi. I was so bitter in that marriage. Ndaigona kuita zvakanaka. But if he hate me, I would always wait for a chance to hate him more. One day akangokwira bhazi and called me kuti I'm going to SA, but handina pekutangira. Ndakamisira $100 pa-eco cash, which he collected per border. He left after I'd given him money again to start car paint business. Ndakatotenga ka-cabin and paid rent to the landlord opposite Zindoga shops punishment garage. Well, zvakangodona or didn't pay as much as he was expecting here, Ameno. He just left everything there and went to SA for 2 years, calling here and there, but never sent anything. I stayed Nevana and worked on my business. One day he called. We never had a 2 minutes conversation. That would not end in us fighting. So one day he called asking me to do an errand for him. I actually told him I'm not feeling well. And I always had him a headache that never went away. I had insomnia. Ndairara ndichifamba mumba usiku hwese nekushaya hope. Sometimes I would call people. Otonzwa kuti kona iwe, do you know pane time takarara isu ukuiteni at 2 a.m. ndototi ndiri kuwacha ndichangopedza kucleana. Ndosaka ndisina kumboita maid in my life. Inyaya yekusarara. So when he called asking about his errand, I said, Iwe, I told you I'm not well, but you don't even ask how am I doing. He said, Iwe neni, we don't love each other. Tiri kubatsirana kuchengeta vana. Vedweka, ndakaita kunge my heart was cut in half. He said the truth that I was refusing to accept all these years. Ndaive nehope that one day it would work out. I would go every month kugomo for 3 days prayer and fasting for more than 4 years, hoping my marriage would turn out to be better. Ndainamata Mwari kuti vachinje munhu. Ndairamba ndichimupa mari, hoping he will see my good intentions and appreciate me, and maybe we have a better life and a peaceful marriage. Zvakaramba. All this happening, my kids were in the middle. Pese pandairowa okunetsana. Vakasvika pakuti their father is problematic. My twins akambonditi, mama, muchachembera muchingorohwa nadaddy. Havachinji ava. Find yourself a new husband. But my mind failed to comprehend what a 4-year-old had managed to see. I wrote mune diary about time wasters in your 20s, and I pointed messy marriages and relationships are used by the devil to waste our prime years. Please believe me, I wasted my precious years building something that wasn't supposed to, but to work on existing. I had even forgotten about how I ended up in this marriage. I had a good tale about how we met and how I ended up married. I lied to people and ended up believing my lies. I never told anyone how I was raped and married by the perpetrator. It's only now, after more than 20 years, I managed to break out of my shell. The fallacy also made me fight, pray, and fast for something that I was supposed to fight to get out of it. Not fighting to stay. Everyone who was close to us would always ask me, Makagarirei? But ndoti vana. Kusvika vana vakuti, Makagarirei? So that day he said, Iwe neni hatifaniri kunzwerana. I felt like a huge blanket was lifted off me. I went home, kneeled by my bed around 9 p.m. and started praying. Ndikati, please God, tell me what I need to do. Handisi kusimuka until you tell me I need your voice today. Well, we answered and said, it's time for you to reap the good harvest. Vedweka, that was around November. I had my own interpretation of the voice of God, because all I wanted was for this marriage to work. Saka ndakafara kuti Mwari vakuzochinja edimozvino. December he came home, but hapana chakachinja. But my mind was telling me God is not a man that he should lie. Saka this man will eventually change. But him changing was not enough. Koini wacho that had no feelings for him at all. Ndaida kuzoita sei. Well, I gave him money again. Akavura shop for phone accessories. And he started to feel himself again, like always. Zvakufire. That was around time that I bought my stand. Kupusa kwacho. I called him kuti handei dai vasiri mari vakapindira ipapo. Dai ndine diary yekubvutirana imba. I called him tiende. Akabva aramba. Ndiye akaita lucky rangu. So he knew I bought a stand, but never got time ekuenda naye ikoko. And his name is not anyway. I lied kuti ndaisa the names of our kids. Ndatozona kuti ndopenga, cause first stand yakapinda sarake and sold it behind my back. Akatiza nemari akaenda ku-SA. So this was going to be another trouble. My bishop vangu and my pastors vakagota misodzi yangu. Ndaichema every day nenyaya dzangu naEdmo. One day my pastor said, I'm coming kuzorara kumba kwako. Ndine nyaya naMwari. I am a widow, but my husband never treated me the way your husband does. Neither have I met marriage of your type all my life. She came vakati, I'm praying with you the whole night mulounge mako. Maiva nerudo mai vangu, continue to rest. My pastor Puza Mado. I said, Mfundisi, you are the one watinoenda naye kumakomo. You know how much effort I have put in my marriage. Ndaneta, so ndakunorara. Apa slowly, anger against God was building. Why ndaiti makati I'm about to have a good harvest, but apana chachinja. She said, if this marriage is going to work, Mwari, let it change now. If it's not meant to be, Mwari, let it end now. Peaceful. Cause benzu aitobeja kuti haufe wakandiramba. Vanhu vanozoona urombe hwangu. So she knew it was never going to end peacefully. In the morning, ndakavaperekedza vakadzokera. When I came back home, I found his portrait yaiva mulounge muya yadona, and it broke into pieces. Ndikatoseka ndikati ndo masaini kaaya. Well, when we started living together, ndaigara nemwana watete, his sister akashaya, and stayed with her. Akanyora Olevo kumusha and felt. I took her in and sent her back to school. Akazobva anogara neimwe hama, and later on stayed by herself. So she called me akati, Gogo, are you coming Saturday? Ndine zvinhu zvandiroda kuti zviiswe in your car. Ndikati kupi? Akati it's Thursday. Akati kumusha ndiri kuroorwa. I said I know nothing about it. Why you didn't tell me? She said I thought Sekuru told you. Sekuru vacho came. I confronted him. Akati I thought she told you yourself. Imi vanhu mune shuwa here mwana wandakachengeta. Oh, okay. Saturday came. Vaiziva ndini ndindoisa order pamusha. Ndoya nemapoto nezvese. Ndikati bodo, I'm tired of being used. I'm not going anyway. I just kept quiet. I never made a fuss about it, and my heart was in pain. So I started crying. Ndakagara pasofa, and I heard an audible voice rikati, Mevi, it's time to break camp. You've overstayed in this camp. That was in March. That encounter in Good Harvest was October. God was telling me that you are now coming out of this bondage. But because of my corrupt mind, I misinterpreted and became bitter after my expectations were not fulfilled. Saturday came, vakaenda. Adzokama neru, ndakati we have been hating each other for too long now. Why don't we go our separate ways? He said, okay, I'll move out weekend. Ndikati take anything you bought. Akati hapana changu, fridge upright ndiyo yandakaisa 1,500, so ndipe mari yacho. Ndikati no, take it, I'll buy a new one. Well, Saturday came. I had forgotten about him moving out. Ndakabva kuchurch around 9 p.m. Wane Shasha has packed his bags. Sunday kuseni before 7 a.m. he left. That was the end of my marriage. Kana nene I was shocked, but it happened after a few days. Mfundisi vauya kumba. Had I continued with that marriage, I know for sure dai ndakafa. Thank God if I look back, I questioned my mental sanity that time. It's good to fight for it, but never lose yourself in the process. Yareba, I'll continue next time. I'm writing these diaries kutaura kwandakabva. One thing I know for sure, I'm not alone. It's a healing process for me. And I'm also trying to inspire vamwewo. Ndakazonzi nevanogona some few days ago. Ndakunzi munodzidziswei nemunhu akaputsa imba yake. Vedweka. Dzimwe nyaya havangorina full detail. Even vakavenaro, they never walked a day in my shoes. Thank you, ladies. I love you. Okay, please support my hustle. Open this link to join my WhatsApp group for latest clothes, bags, shoes. My WhatsApp number is 0772 845 786. Right. I think panyaya ika ndaona mudzimai, I think kubva zvatakatanga kuverenga maRaven Diaries, I see she repetitively gave the husband money. Amutoresa passport, amupa mari. Remember pane 17,000 kuSouth Africa iye yakangotogwa ikanzi iorder kai imari yaSisi Raven kai ndobva yatogwa yose ikanzi ikadliwa kuJoni. Apa apiwa $1,000 munhu auya atanga chishop, kana atanga chishop hachakuzivi. Over and over anofona ilo handina mari ndiisire, vomupa $100. She kept on giving. She kept on trying to buy love. And wofona wonzi iwe nendagara atodanani kaiyo. And all this time she fought for this marriage. Murikuona zviri kuitika. When you are going before God to pray and say, Mwari, ndibetserei marriage yangu, wotowa voice rotaura kuti aiwa zvichatoita po. But the truth is this was a toxic marriage. And remember, marriage yakatanga sei, she was a minor at 15 akarepiwa nemurume. Atoita zvokuti vatoita zvokutogwa nagogo vakaitwa zvokupimpiwa. So this was not a marriage from day one, but she believed that she was in a marriage. She loved the husband. You know that vakadzi, they give and give and give and giveth again up until you lose yourself. I know there are some people right now vanenge vari mamarriage ekuti zvakadhakwa, but unenge uchingoti aiwa Mwari chinjai munhu, of which munhu haasi kumbochinjwa. Kana mweya mutsvene uchikoniwa kuchinja munhu, who are you to think that you can change someone? I know of women who are very close to me, I won't mention their names, who stayed in these toxic relationships vachiqinisela ngobumendo unzima belokhe beqinisela, and their parents told them to continue ukuqinisela, but in the end the guys, the men are the ones who said chienda. Ingadai varume vasina kuvaramba, nanhasi those people would continue suffering in those marriages. I know there's someone right now who's watching me who's going through the same. Ari kunamatira kuti Mwari tai kuti munhu achinje, hoping kuti munhu atachinja. Munhu afi akachinja. Kana mweya mutsvene uchimukonewa, munenge muchirohwa, munenge muchididi, zvese izvozvo uchirohwa uchiabhiswa, but uchingoqinisela uchiti munhu achachinja. Mamukasekodhidhi, madai muchipa respect. Mwari akasika vanhu vane mwoyo murefu. Madzimai Mwari akukomborerei mune mwoyo murefu kutorera zvisina basa rose. Mwari akukomborerei, takasika zvakasiyana, pane mumwe asingagoni kutolereta ndokupisa nemvura shomene. Alright. Ndabva tadzoka panyaya yaSisi. Would also want to thank tina mama vakapa Sisi. Remember anti vaya vari kuda kuenda kuZimbabwe who's in a toxic relationship, vari kutsvaka mari yebhasi, vakwanisa kuwana 500. Tinoda kutenda Anonymous akatipa 500 rand paNedbank nezuro kuti mama wakwanise kuwana mari yebhasi. Saka tasarigwa maybe kuti tikakwanisa kuti kuwana imwe 500, I'm sure vanokwanisawo kudi kuti vazoenda kumusha. Tinokutendai. Toda kutenda zvakare mama vakati vakabatsira Sheri nezuro. Sheri wanted 2000, achiri kutsvaka 2000 ekuti ainde anobhadhara, because kuya hati yake, animona nyaya hati yake yaya, panoita mareviews vakamuvhiringidza vakati anofanira kubhadhara 2000. Saka tina mama vakamupa zvakare 500, saka tiri kutsvaga zvakare 1.5. Asi tinokutendai nerudo rwamunotiratidza madzimai pachannel pano. Handidi kunyeperai, kunonzi musha womukadzi, mindimi madzimai akabata musha uno. Ma-contributions atinowana kuna nababa handidi kunyepa. Tinowana tina mukoma Miki vanotiita maglasi. Aiwa Mwari avakomborere. Then tina mukoma zvakare. I think we have 2 or 3 men who have been helping us. Tinokuappreciate, we appreciate you, but mostly madzimai ndiwo akabata. Iwo mweya wekubereka iwo Mwari akuitire zvakanaka. We really appreciate you. We appreciate your support. Tina zvakare umwe akati ndiri student, but ndoda kubhadharira vana school fees. Unongona vanhu vachingouya vachiti video iti tingabatsira mari yangu yandinayo shoma, but batai napa. Guys, this is so touching. Even vamwe vakati ini ndine 100 rand, ndine 200 rand yekucontributa kuna Sheri. Mwari akuitire zvakanaka. Pamabvisa ipapo ingadai Mwari awedzera. Thank you guys for watching. Tichadzoka zvakare muzuva ramangwana nedzimwe nyaya. Tatenda. Bye bye.